Hello, Noah.
Beer.
Sangria.
Beer.
Sangria.
Beer.
Sangria.
Fucking beer.
You're swearing on vlog.
I mean, just beer. Hey, Marshall, I'm sorry, vlog. I didn't want to swear.
I think we're about to head to the club now, or another pub. I'm not too
There's
sure.
a car.
We have just gotten off our bus here at Lisbon Orient, the bus station. We're now busy trying to find the metro, which we're going to take into town, and then get to our Party Hostel. Yes, bro. Hello. Metro card purchased. Home. Going home. She thinks I'm crazy. So I think we may have just found the best part of Lisbon.
12 chicken nuggets for €2.
And we've finally gotten to our last stop, and it is very well named. Just our kind of stop. Restaurant. It's a little bit overcast today, and I have some laundry to go do. So we are wandering to the local laundrette to go do some laundry.
We have to go uphill.
Yeah, we're going uphill. So one thing we've noticed already about Lisbon is that there are really steep hills. Every day is leg day here in Lisbon. For the gains. So we'll be back in about 40 minutes. In total, $6.50 for a whole load of dirty laundry. That's not too bad for a traveler here in Lisbon. I'm getting no to pay for all my food. And a little snack. And another stop for some more food. This time we've gone Brazilian. Which makes her really happy because she misses Brazil.
Yeah. Brazilian fried food.
Go for it. 1 hour later, and the laundry is done. Woohoo! I'm just gonna wait for her.
It's raining.
And oh yeah, and the weather is pretty shite as it's begun to rain. So on the way back to the hostel, we actually passed a really nice viewpoint. Like I said, unfortunately the weather is not great today, but the view is still beautiful.
This is the castle I was talking about.
That castle?
That castle.
Are we gonna go see that castle?
Tomorrow.
That one over there?
Yeah.
It's so far away though.
No, it's 15. No, it's 30 minutes walk.
Yeah, it's so far away.
It's nothing.
But it's so far away.
It's nothing.
So, quick tip for anybody who does decide to come to Lisbon. If it starts to rain, beware of the tiles on the street. They become super slippery and you may just slip like Noah.
I didn't slip.
Now I'm gonna try to cross the road without dying again. Noah is too scared to get into a tiny elevator, so I'm elevating by myself. Very good lighting. I should take some photos. I love orange. Way to the top. Do you think it's full?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Look. Shit. I squeeze it.
Oh no, you hate it when your hands are sticky.
Nothing like a little dark alley to get us going.
There you go.
We have just arrived at our party hostel for our stay here in Lisbon.
I'll get up, don't worry.
Yeah. So basically right now, we get 50-cent shots because we got dinner, so we sent Noah to get a lot. Noah! Wave for the camera!
So what's going on here? Hey, here we go.
So we're about to head out again to another bar.
We're all vloggers.
We have a very nice crew of gentlemen with us.
Gentlemen
is not the right term.
We're now heading off to... See those guys over there? They just gave us some really, really good advice. So if you walk backwards, either up or down the hill, apparently it's easier. It is. Yeah, it is easier on the calves.
No, it's harder on the calves.
Well, it's easy on the legs. Yo, okay, wait, I'm falling behind though. Okay, but it's also been raining, and so the cobblestones are a little bit wet, and so it's slippery. Don't you agree? Whoa. That's what I mean.
It's really wet.
I basically just did I feel like I just did a Michael Jackson move. Woo! Moonwalk, yeah. We're now gonna have a Portuguese almond shot with vodka. Woo! Really almondy. She's gonna let me hold the umbrella. Can I hold the umbrella? Please, can I hold the umbrella? What? 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 So we're just about to leave the second pub, and I thought now would be a good time to give you guys the lowdown of the deal. For 15 euros, which is a little bit more pricey than most pub crawls in Europe where I'm usually partying, you get at the hostel 1 hour of unlimited vodka, whiskey and rum mixers.
I like whiskey, so she likes whiskey.
And on top of that, then you go to 3 pubs, I think, and 1 club where you obviously get shots. And now at this pub, for example, you get an hour of free sangria and beer. And that was that. That was our night out in Lisbon. We had a great jaw and enjoyed the rest of the pubs and the clubs for the rest of the night. If you're ever in Lisbon, definitely check out the nightlife. But for now, guys, let's wait and see what happens tomorrow. And of course, don't forget to keep fostering this culture.